Welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. If you're new here, thanks for coming by. I'm April. This is Britton Farms Homestead. I'm fixing to go over, oh, it's, my glasses are fogging up. It's pretty humid out here. Today, I am going to show you our tomato plant that we've entered in the massive Mater Mayhem with Cosmic Cultivators, and it's just a competition to see who can grow the largest tomato by weight in SHEDWARS. So we got a heirloom seed, which is the Big Zac, and I'm going to show you the plant, and we're going to help it just a little bit, because I think it needs to be pollinated. Has had lots of blooms on it, but I only have a few green tomatoes on it. So today we're going to go over how you can hand pollinate your tomato plants, or for that matter, lots of other plants. Squash, you can do this for cucumbers. It'll work on lots of other things. Stay tuned. Here we go. So this is the Big Zac tomato. We've got him growing in a pot here. And I have this contraption which came on my dad's junk pile. I'm not real sure what it's for. It's some kind of tripod thing, maybe a satellite or something went on it. Have no idea. Anyway, this tomato plant is about 4.5 foot tall, I guess, right now. And we do have some tomatoes in there. And we are growing this organically. So we've got some rabbit poop down here, some cucumber peelings, some orange slices, some tea bags. We've just thrown in some things that would go into our compost here on our tomato plant. But not everything is getting pollinated here. So I want to go over how you can help your tomato plants along so you can get tomatoes. So let's start with these guys right here. So what should happen is an insect or butterfly, but bee of some kind, will come here and get the pollen, then come over here and get some pollen, or to any other flower, and it's pollinating. When it gets pollen from here, takes it to another flower on the plant, it's pollinating that plant to sooner or later make these. But this has had tons and tons of blooms, and lots of them are just falling off, and I think it's because it's not getting pollinated. But I'll back up here so you can see. It's here in front of the house. There's nothing else. Well, there's a couple flowers over there, some strawberries, and some verbena right there, to draw the bees in to pollinate this. So I'm thinking that's probably the issue. The bees aren't hanging out in this area. They're just going off somewhere else, probably to the big garden where we have tons of things blooming. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and show you how to hand pollinate this. So what we have first here is just a Q-tip. We're going to take it, put it in this little flower here. Just kind of twist it around a little bit. Act like we're a little bee. And then we're going to come over here to this flower. We're going to do the same thing. See if we can't get some pollination in there. Get these flowers pollinated. See if I can turn this around where you can see. And then we'll just move on to the next. So that's how you would hand pollinate. Well, it would work for many different plants, squash, cucumbers, you know, things of that nature that need to be pollinated from one flower to another. Strawberries, it would work for strawberries. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got something out of it and taught you something. If you have another way of hand pollination or pollinating period other than naturally, you know, with the bees, insects, things of that nature, go ahead and put that in the comments below and let me know how you do it. And I hope everybody has a great day. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.